Hi everyone, so this is day one of the Charlie's Advent calendar, so I'm going to jump straight into it. So let's open, if I can get it under the camera. So let's take out day one of this one. If I can get it open. Let's lift that up a bit more. Okay, so let's have a look and see what is in here. I love these bags. They're so cute. Look at the little elves. They're so cute. Oh, and it's a foil and it's called Christmas Joy. So let's have a quick look at what this one looks like. I'm going to have to put it back into the packet, otherwise I'm going to forget what one is what. Let me just move this out of the way. Let's just pop it there. So let's have a look and see what we've got. I can open it, which I cannot. I will do a swatch of this. So this is what it looks like, and it is super cute. Look at them rocking horses and everything. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hopefully you can see it okay, but I will do a swatch of it quickly. So that is, what did I say it was called? Christmas Joy? Can't find the packet. I think it was Christmas Joy. Yes, Christmas Joy. So that will be available on the website. Let's just quickly wrap that up and let's get the other calendar. I'm not going to try and fit it under there again, so I will just grab the packets. Is the new glitters that will be released today. Super excited. Oh, colours are going to be, ooh, and this is called peppermint frosting. Look at that. Oh, now that is a pretty. Should we get a glitter tray? Let's quickly get a glitter tray. I say quickly. One just here. So let's pull this out. I will do a swatch of this off camera, so because I don't want the videos to be long. But that is, wow. Wow, look at that. Wow, that is really pretty. So I will do a quick swatch of this off camera, and I will swatch this and I shall be right back. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so this is the swatch done here. I've buffed the top of the nail just so you can see all the glitters come through. It is a really pretty mix. Just look at that. Wow, that is beautiful. So that is the mix, and that's just on a clear tip on the back side. Wow, that is gorgeous. And I don't know if you can see on the hexes that they're two-tone hexes. Hang on, let me just pop that in. And I'll pop that on. So the hexagons are two-tone. If you look here, it's a two-tone hexagon. So that one is green and yellow, and then the pink, look, the pink is green and iridescent pink as well. You can see them now. Look, two-tone, and I didn't even know that. I didn't notice that. So there's two-tone ones, and then there's just normal coloured ones, green ones, iridescent ones. Wow, that is really pretty. So that is peppermint frosting, And then this is the foil. I did it over red because it's Christmas. So this is the foil, and this is called Christmas Joy. So I'm just waiting for that other nail, and it's just finished. So that is the brand new glitter, and that is peppermint frosting. So this is day one. So glitter calendar and the other calendar. So these are brand new items that you will be able to purchase. So yeah, let me know if you've got an advent calendar as well and what you thought about these. Well, I will post obviously pictures at the end of what they look like and what they are, just so you know you can hop over and get something if you want to. Don't forget my discount code as well. It's in all my videos, and I'm sure it will be on the screen somewhere. Well, thank you so much everybody for watching today. Hopefully you'll join me tomorrow. Well, thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.